Is your smartphone secretly playing into the hands of a remote hacker right now? Did you know that a single malicious APK file can hand over complete administrative control of your phone? In today's explosive cybersecurity masterclass, we are going to unveil the darkest reality of digital surveillance. How do cyber criminals gain remote access to your front camera, listen through your microphone, and steal your bank OTPs? This is not a Hollywood script but a proven real world demonstration executed live. Watch this entire breakdown from start to finish to master the defensive skill required to protect your privacy. Before we begin this practical demonstration, here is an absolute non-negotiable legal disclaimer. This entire presentation is created strictly for educational, awareness and defensive security testing purposes. Everything shown is conducted inside a controlled lab environment using devices that I personally own. We do not condone or encourage any form of unauthorized hacking or cybercrime. Our target is to empower security researchers and everyday users with deep threat intelligence. The framework we are examining today is called AMET, an open source Android remote access tool. It is designed for ethical penetration testing, security research, and lawful digital forensics. We begin by opening our browser and navigating directly to the official GitHub repository. Here, you can find the source, documentation, and structural details of the entire project. To prevent any dependency conflicts or errors, we first set up an isolated virtual environment inside terminal. Next, we execute the git clone command to mirror the entire repository onto our local system, depending on your network connection speed. This cloning process may take 10 to 15 minutes. Once the download finishes successfully, we navigate into the server directory using cd command. We inspect the contents using is to verify that all core installation scripts are present. Now, we execute the automated bash installer with super user administrative elevated permission in terminal. The script automatically updates system packages and compiles all necessary security dependencies. This installation procedure takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes to reach completely execution readiness. Upon typing the code execution command, a pristine graphical user interface launches. Onto screen, the interface is split into two main sections: the lab control panel and the malicious APK builder. Inside the builder, we enter our machine IP along with connection port 444. This is where things become critical as permission flags are customized according to attacker intent. An attacker enables critical permission toggles, including camera, microphone, file manager, and SMS. Clicking the red build button compiles the payload into a fully functional Android application. The finished APK is automatically saved inside the dedicated output workspace folder. In real criminal campaigns, attackers disguise these payloads as fake utility apps or Free financial tools. For our test, we host the file locally and download it onto our authorized test mobile device. The instant the payload application launches on the target phone, a reverse connection is established. The control dashboard instantly reads target metrics such as phone model, system OS, and battery levels. Opening the camera control tab gives full command over both front and rear cameras without any visual indicator on target phone. A high resolution ambient photograph renders on dashboard. This capability in unauthorized hands leads to devastating personal surveillance and privacy destruction, while forensic investigators utilize identical methods to gather digital evidence during legal cases. Moving to the file manager and microphone modules, we will even more alarming security risk. An attacker can browse internal storage, exfiltrating private photos, documents, and crypto credentials. The microphone module captures 30 seconds of raw ambient audio and transfers it to server. Private room conversations are recorded with high fidelity without the victim ever noticing a background process. Furthermore, the GPS location tab plots exact target coordinates directly onto active maps. Complete contact lists are dumped in seconds to launch secondary social engineering phishing vectors. The most devastating risk comes from SMS intercept features that bypass two-factor authentication. Attackers can read banking OTPs and even send spoof messages to trusted contacts. To safeguard your device against these threats, never install APKs from untrusted websites. Audit your app permission regularly and revoke any unnecessary access permission immediately. In our next episode, we will build an automated defensive firewall built to neutralize great payloads. Subscribe to A Revolution channel right now. Hit the bell, like, and share this video. Join the frontier of AI revolution.